Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Emag Genius in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app. On the bottom in the menu bar you have to tap on the last icon, this profile icon. Then the first option will be the Genius. If you tap on it, then you have to scroll down and you have to select an option. Select to add a new card, but if you have a card added, then you can select your card from here too. Then you tap on this blue button, add a card number, expiration date, the security code, and tap on save card. After that you get an Emag Genius. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.